Miami is known as the capital of Latin America, as it is the 12th largest metro area in US. It is also one of the states and the world's most popular vacation spot. In this magic city, there is no shortage of luxury hotels, abounding with lavish spas, amazing restaurants, and the most elaborate amenities that money can buy. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video, we are going to explore 10 luxury hotels in Miami. So let's get started and speed up the details. Number 10. Four Seasons Hotel at the Surf Club. The Surf Club was originally opened in 1930 on the south of Bal Harbour. However, the Four Seasons added a new charm and spark to this old establishment. Architect Richard Meyer's glassy building added 77 rooms and suites to this iconic club, and designer Joseph Turin's interiors bring the colors of nature indoors. This hotel is a waterfront property, and its beige walls and warm-toned marble echo the sand outside, while the green and blue views recall the palm trees and Atlantic Ocean. These beautiful views are visible from most rooms through their floor-to-ceiling windows, and guests can enjoy their dinner at the first ever international outpost from the restaurant at the legendary Amalfi Coast Hotel. Number 9. Hotel South Beach. This beautiful hotel is committed to sustainability and features reclaimed woods, organic linens, and had a massive wall as a testament to that. This beautiful resort is also a waterfront property. However, its commitment to the environment does not come at the cost of luxury. Its 425 airy rooms and suites average about 700 square feet each. The guests are provided with extremely comfortable accommodation in the form of grey-toned oak beds, topped with the cotton mattresses. Bathroom have Carrara marble soaking tubs and rainfall showers, which further solidify this eco-friendly resort. The resort has 4 different pools, which cater to different crowds. The most epic views come from the 18th floor pool, adjacent to the hotel's rooftop bar, which can give you a 360-degree views of the ocean to the east and the downtown Miami skyline to the west. Number 8. The Villa Casa Casa Arena. This hotel has a rich history. It was built as a private mansion in 1930. Its old world architecture and Greco-Roman statuary convinced a fashion designer Gianni Versace to purchase it in 1992 while on a vacation in Miami. He spent the next 3 years and over $32 million renovating and expanding the house into a gilded palace. After the designer's tragic murder, mansion went through various owners before reopening as a luxury boutique hotel, first in 2014 and again following extensive restorations in December 2017. Now, the 10 Baroque-style suites with temple walls, frescoed ceilings, and leopard print furniture offered us an exclusive and intimate glimpse into the life of the style icon. The masterpiece of this hotel is its pool, which is comprised of over 1 million mosaic tiles. Many of them are 24-karat gold. Number 7. Biltmore Hotel, Miami Goro. The Biltmore is a pricier option, but if you can afford it, staying in this stunning hotel is absolutely worth it. It is for sure one of the most beautiful hotels in Miami, with a rich history, with Italian, Moorish, and Spanish architectural influences. This hotel features a lush golf course, amazing restaurants, boasting delicious foods, and a large pool surrounded by statues of Greek goddesses. If you are looking to get away from the Miami's beach crowd and staying in a place that's much quieter and enchanting, this hotel is perfect for you. Number 6. St. Regis Bal Harbour. Bal Harbour can be deemed to be the Miami's most strategically located hotel, with the Atlantic Ocean at its back door. and Miami's famous retail mecca across the street. More than $1 billion went into its opening back in 2014, and it was certainly money well spent, as this beautiful resort has been established its status as an opulent escape for the high-rolling fashion set looking for some beach time. Interiors have elegant and calming vibes with varying shades of grey and slate blue. Moreover, the crystal and beveled glass mirror essence nod to the Miami's Art Deco heritage. Each of the 243 rooms and suites in this 27-story building open to a 210 square foot balcony overlooking the sea. The resort also features 2 infinity pools, one for families and one for the adults only. Number 5. Aquilina Resort and Spa. The 5-star 4.5-acre Aquilina Resort and Spa resembles a Mediterranean villa. The resort can definitely transport you to a coast of Spain or private island, with its swaying palms, striking red wood furniture, and quiet views of the Atlantic Ocean. Its 98 rooms are fit for royalty. You can relax at the 20,000 square foot Aquilina Spa by S-Spa, or immerse yourself in bespoke local experiences, including yoga classes, shopping tours, art classes, and wildlife experiences, which are led by the local experts. Number 4. The Setai. From its elegant glass facade to its tasteful oriental design motif, the Setai is a tranquil and private sanctuary. Its dark teak and brick flooring create an atmosphere of discreet luxury. The hotel's ocean suites housed inside this iconic 40-story building range from 1 to 4 bedrooms and offer panoramic views of the water. The restaurant is inspired by Asian cuisine from Thailand, India, and Japan. This luxurious hotel also offers lavish treatment options and a steam room at an Asian-inspired spa. Number 3. Ease. Situated on the top of the Brickell City Center, this extravagant hotel offers unique views of the Miami downtown. The hotel features asymmetrical pools with waterfalls, 2 jacuzzis, and an industrial design surrounded by orange lounges, umbrellas, and tropical vegetation. This hotel has attempted to establish a lifestyle, so it's no wonder that it comes with a fitness center, multiple restaurants, and a trendy rooftop lounge. Number 2. Fontainebleau Miami Beach. This balcony-clad crescent-shaped resort in mid-beach feels more like an ultra-luxe cruise ship than a hotel. Since 1954, it's dominated the Miami hotel scene, with a size of 1,504 rooms. Fontainebleau is the city's largest hotel. However, this hotel is the center of everyone's attention. Iconic Art Deco design attracted top celebrities towards hotel. Nowadays, the likes of Jennifer Lopez can be seen lounging at one of the resort's 11 pools, dining at one of its 7 restaurants, including the Hakkasan and Scott Conan's Carpet. Fontainebleau's 40,000 square foot spa serves as heaven for the guests looking for a more relaxing experience. Before heading to number 1, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. Number 1. Faena Hotel, Miami Beach. Argentine hotelier Alan Faena collaborated with an Oscar-winning power couple to create this mid-beach resort. This power couple is costume designer Catherine Martin and director Basil Arnett, the minds behind the dazzling films like Mule and Roach. This hotel is a retro glam masterpiece, chock-a-block with a theatrical essence. The Faena Hotel boasts of 169 eye-catching rooms with a magnificent red, gold, and turquoise interior. Each floor has a dedicated around-the-clock butler service, and guests can enjoy access to the 22,000 square foot spa, a serene beachfront pool, and 2 of the busiest restaurants in Miami. That's it for today's video of 10 luxury hotels in Miami. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxurious videos like this. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.